We will discuss best natural body scrub DIY natural beauty treatments, homemade personal care products, natural skincare DIY. Close-up of a woman's hand holding a jar of homemade body scrub. Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best DIY natural beauty treatments. Today, we will show you how to make the best natural body scrub at home. Cut to a shot of a woman standing in her kitchen with a table filled with natural ingredients. We all know that exfoliation is an essential part of our skincare routine. It helps to remove dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and reveals fresh, smooth, and glowing skin. A woman scooping a mixture of ingredients into a bowl. Instead of buying expensive body scrubs, we can make our own using natural ingredients that are easily available in our kitchens. Woman mixing the ingredients in the bowl. Voiceover. Here are the ingredients we will need. 1 cup of brown sugar. 1/2 cup of coconut oil. 1/2 cup of honey. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Woman pouring the mixture into a jar. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl, and your body scrub is ready. Store it in a jar and use it whenever you want to exfoliate your skin. Woman using the body scrub in the shower. To use, apply the scrub onto damp skin in circular motions, focusing on rough areas like elbows, knees, and feet. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. A woman showing her glowing skin. This natural body scrub is not only easy to make, but it's also gentle on the skin and leaves it feeling smooth, soft, and moisturized. Close-up of the jar of homemade body scrub. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty tips and DIYs. See you in the next video.